Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to make delicious, nutritious and healthy palak soup. Try to include this palak soup at least twice a week in your diet meal plan and you're sure to lose your weight without losing the glow in your skin. This is very easy to make and can be done in 15 to 20 minutes. So do try this at home and share your feedback with me. Now let's take a look at the recipe. Let's start by adding 1 tablespoon oil to a pan. I am using olive oil. You can also use butter here. Add 5 cloves of garlic, half a green chilli and half an onion chopped finely. Just saute it on low flame for a few minutes, and once it turns translucent, you can remove it from flame and cool it down completely. Make sure you do not brown the onions. Now to a blender, I'm gonna add these blanched palak leaves. To blanch the palak leaves, add them to boiling water and allow it to boil for 3 to 5 minutes. Once it turns soft, remove it from the water and allow them to cool. Now add the palak leaves to the blender and also add the sauteed ingredients, the onions, garlic and green chilli to the blender and grind it to a very smooth paste. Now our palak puree is ready. Keep this aside and let's start to make the bechamel sauce for the soup. To make this sauce, add 1 tablespoon butter to the same pan and add about 2 teaspoons of plain flour, that is maida. Keep stirring it. You will notice that it is starting to form lumps, but do not worry, it will get dissolved later. Now add half a cup milk little by little, stirring in between. If you add the milk all at once, the maida and the butter together will form tough lumps and it will be difficult to dissolve them. So add the milk little by little and keep stirring and the lumps will break free automatically. As the sauce gets heated up, it will thicken in consistency and you can add a little bit of water to dilute it. As you can see, there are no lumps now and it has started to boil. At this point, you can add the palak puree to this sauce. Mix it up with the sauce and you can see a beautiful parrot green soup forming. Keep stirring it slowly and in a few minutes the entire soup will turn glossy and shiny. Now to garnish the soup, you can add required amount of salt, a pinch of roasted cumin powder and about 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Since we have added half a green chilli, the soup is perfect by itself, so you can adjust the amount of pepper you want. Now I'm gonna add the secret ingredient to this soup. Adding just half a teaspoon of sugar brings out the flavors of the soup and gives it a very comforting taste. This is a very important step to make your soup the perfect, delicious one. Once the soup starts bubbling, you can switch off the flame and rest it for 5 minutes before serving. This soup goes very well with any kind of lunch or dinner. We had it with beetroot patty burgers and it tasted really delicious. Hope you enjoyed the video guys. If you like this video, do share it with your friends. See you again in another awesome tasty recipe. Take care. Bye bye.